In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Gemini AI photo, a topic that's currently trending and for a good reason. The world of photo editing is continually evolving, and with the capabilities that AI offers today, you can enhance your images creatively and effortlessly. So let's dive in and explore how you can utilize Gemini AI to take your photos to the next level. First things first, we'll need to open up Google. This is your gateway to accessing all of Google's fantastic tools, including Gemini AI, which is a part of the broader Google ecosystem designed to make your photo editing experience seamless and intuitive. Type Google Gemini into the search bar. This search will lead you to the Gemini AI interface where all the magic happens. Now, let's proceed by clicking on the official Google Gemini website link that appears in your search results. Once you're on the Gemini AI website, you will notice a user-friendly layout with clear options. Direct your attention to the plus sign. This is where you can upload the photos you wish to edit. Simply click on it, and you'll be prompted to select the images from your device. Make sure to have your photos ready for upload, as this will save you time. After your photo is uploaded, you'll have the opportunity to guide the AI by typing in a prompt. This step allows you to communicate what you'd like the AI to focus on, whether it's enhancing colors, sharpening details, or adding creative effects. Your prompt will give the AI the direction it needs. Next, click on the Tools section. This is a treasure trove of options where you can further customize your editing experience. Explore these tools to see how they can best serve your photo editing goals. Once you've picked the tools you'd like to use, it's time to create the image. Clicking on the Create Images button will apply Gemini AI's advanced algorithms to your photo based on your chosen settings. After the AI has processed your request, click Submit. This will commence the final rendering of your photo with all the adjustments you specified. It's here that the AI's power truly shines, transforming your vision into reality with precision and creativity. Finally, once the image processing is completed, you'll receive your enhanced photo. And there you have it! Your image is ready! You can now download it, share it, or even opt to make further edits if necessary. Editing photos with Gemini AI is not just about enhancing images. It's also about expanding your creative horizons with the help of cutting-edge technology. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to edit a Gemini AI photo. Enjoy the process, and happy editing!